Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have barely any makeup on. Okay, that's a lie, but I'm missing a lot of things because we've got an unboxing. So before I do that, play the intro. So today I actually got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus before the very end of the month. It's still the 20th, so it's still pretty late. But they did better because last month I got it on like the 28th. So we're a little ahead. But today we are going to go over it and everything that came in it. We've got our info book, which we don't need right now. So I'm going to show you first the things that I won't be using today, and then we'll go through all the stuff that I will. So first we got this 3 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. You can use it alone or you can mix it into your moisturizer, which I don't use moisturizer often. I probably should. Comes in this bottle, and spoiler alert, it smells horrible. But it says it does amazing things. I'm going to try it out later. I'll give y'all an update if you want that. But we're going to hope that maybe the smell is not representative of how it works. Then the next thing I'm going to go ahead and show y'all is the Ipsy people have something similar to a charm room now. Kind of. Whenever you get your bag, you can do add-on items. So this month I did. They're like $3 each. And I got this highlighting brush, which we are going to use. And I also got a glitter flip lipstick deluxe sample because I've never actually tried that out. And I have a video coming with that soon too. So I've actually been waiting for that to get here as well. But yeah, that is the stuff that I got extra. And then, shocker, this month they actually sent me a bag, and it like switches. It's one of these like sequiny bags, and it's like pretty big. All the items fit in here but one, so that's fun. It's really cute. But they did say that in future bags, like, there won't be actual bags anymore to like help make the box better. Whatever. I'm kind of sad that we won't get bags anymore, but it's alright. Then we have got these Farrah brushes. They look gorgeous. They are face brushes. To save time, I went ahead and did my face makeup before filming because I knew if I didn't, this video would be 30 minutes long, which, let's be honest, it might be 30 minutes long. Anyways, who knows? I talk way too much. But I figured I would go ahead and take them out so we can see kind of what they look like up close. They are gold. They're soft. Ooh, they feel good. I think this might be my new contour bronzer brush. I do like these so far, but I will test those out later. Maybe, I don't know. There's some of those brushes that are almost too pretty to use, and that sounds so dumb, but that's how my brain functions. Okay, so what is it? Okay, yeah. The things that actually come in the box, we did get 5 things. So we got the brushes and the serum. Those are our first 2. Then we're going to go ahead, because this will be a little bit quicker, and we are just going to look at this product, which I don't know if I should use it. It's for eyes, cheeks, and lips. It's a Lancome Le Monochromatique kind of pigment type of thing. I will get it out. It's in Eclat. Eclat. I don't know how to say it. It's like French. Whatever. Anyways, it comes like this. It's got like a flower in it, which is super pretty. It looks like it might be a little dark, but I swatched it earlier, and as long as I blend it out, it's not too bad. So I'm just going to pick some up on this little highlighting brush. This is from SL Miss Glam, which is one of my favorite brush brands, which is why I picked this. And I'm just going to pop some right here. It doesn't look like it's way too dark for me, and it is pretty pigmented. So I definitely like that, but it is a little bit too dark just because I'm so fair. but it's definitely pretty, and you can use it. It says like on your eyes if you want, which we're not going to today. Or you can pop it like in the center of your lips to give like an extra dimension to your lipstick if you want. So that's always cool, and it's pretty pigmented. I like it. I might reach for it again. I'm gonna have to see how it hits not in studio lights because I don't know how that's gonna look. And then just to be quick, because our last item is gonna take the longest, we've got an Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy in the shade Jealous. Looks like this in the package. It has like a magnetic close, and it's kind of a red color, so fair warning, today's look is not going to make any sense at all. I'm going to use the mirror on this last product to apply this. Today's look is not going to be cohesive. It is not going to look good. Luckily it's the end of the day, so I ain't got to wear it anywhere, but I'm just going to put this lippy on, see if I can get it in the lines. I despise regular lipsticks. I just hate how they apply. I can never get them right. I don't like them, and they don't stay, and that is just so pointless to me. But for the purposes of this, we're going to try it, and later I will probably be giving this to my mom, who loves regular lipsticks, because I hate them. Yeah, so I don't like this, and it's nothing personal against the product. It feels pretty good. The color's okay. It's a little more sheer than I prefer, but most all lipsticks are to me. Don't think I'd reach for it again. It's also pretty bright. But it's a good product. It's just not my thing. It might be your thing. That's wonderful. So last we've got, and this I'm kind of excited about, we've got a Book of Eyes Eye Quad palette from Smith & Colt. And of course, because I'm me, they gave me the brightest color. So this is an Ice Tears. It's like the blue shades. These are basically, this is a matte, but the rest of these are straight shimmers. The packaging is so pretty. It's like textured. It's got the name here, everything on the back. Cute little mirror. I really like it. You can't, we're gonna try, but you can't make a full eye look with this thing. Not a good solid one. I mean, it'll be an eye look, all right, but it's not gonna be what I like. So just to go ahead and try this out, I am gonna grab just a regular natural hair brush. I'm gonna pick up the matte shade. It's got a little bit of kickback, and I'm gonna put this in the crease. I do have eyeshadow primer on. I put on some MAC Paint Pot, set it, all that good jazz. So, you know, that's taken care of. So this is going to be a very natural look for the most part. We're just going to build up this crease, get it a little dark just so there's actually something there. And I feel like this is almost going to be kind of an icy look, which I'm not against. It is, you know, winter, even though it doesn't feel like it most of the time. It's winter. So I'm just going to build it up. I think that's about as good as it's going to get. It's not really going to get a whole lot darker even if I layer it up. So I'm going to build the crease up about to there. Y'all, this is so out of the usual for me. Like, I don't do just these natural, like, two color looks. That is not my thing. But today it is, right? So I'm just building the same color up in the crease, making sure that it's getting kind of dark, and then I'm trying to blend the edges out pretty good. It is a little hard for me to blend, which, you know, might have something to do with my brush, but this is the brush I use like all the time. I'm not super impressed with the matte shade, but it's okay. I think this would be a nice little thing if you do like more simple looks and you just wanted something to kind of travel with. I think this would be great. But that's all we're gonna get on the crease. I mean, it built up some pigment. It's not like it's not there. But then I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger for the rest of this look. I'm gonna take this little silver shade. It's kind of got a blue tint right here. And I'm just gonna pick it up. It feels really good, and pop it on most of the lid. Probably to about like right here. And just kind of drag it out with my finger. This will deepen up the outer corner a little bit. Ooh, I made a mess. Okay. Anyways, we're going to try to take one of these brushes and wipe my mess off before it makes a disaster. Yeah. This might be a little bit monochromatic, I guess would be the right word for what this look is going to look like. But I'm just tapping it in about 3/4 of the lid. Just like so, making sure that it's covering everything. And I am making a mess. There's quite a bit of fallout with this. So, maybe do your eyes first. Because I didn't. Then I'm going to go in with this white shade right here, which looks so pretty in the pan. And I'm going to put this on this first part. Oh. Look right here. And try to kind of tap it onto the outer or the inner corner. And what I'm seeing, bless its heart, this color is more of a topper from what I can see. It's not really giving me the pigment I want, but it's still cute though. And I'm just going to put it in this inner corner. Trying to be kind of careful not to go too far with it. That is really pretty, I'm not going to lie. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do with this palette is take this blue right here on a small little detail brush, and I'm going to try to kind of add a pop under here so we get like a little pop of the blue on the lower lash line. It is a shimmer, so it's not probably going to perform like I would prefer, but I'm just going to line it down here. Try to get it as close as I can to the lash line, which is proving to be a little bit difficult. And then I'm going to take a small shader brush and I'm just going to blend it out a little bit so that it doesn't look quite as harsh, I guess would be the word. And just blend it down here. Yep. Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and go finish my makeup with the stuff that wasn't in here, like liner and mascara and, you know, that stuff, and try to make this look a little bit better. And then we'll come back and we'll talk about the bottom. Okay, so I went ahead and did a little bit of winged liner and some mascara, and I did some white liner in the waterline because I felt like with this icy look, maybe that would help tie it together a little better. And it looks better. Okay, so thoughts on this stuff. First of all, cutest bag ever. And as we do the thoughts, we're going to put stuff in here. Okay, the serum, I will let y'all know it stinks, but maybe it's magical. The brushes are super soft and I very much like them. This is a gorgeous highlight. Really, really like it. And I actually think maybe it's not too dark for me. I think it's fine. I don't like this. This is nothing against the product, nothing against Estee Lauder. I love their stuff. I just do not like regular lipstick, but it is nice for what it is. And then this little eyeshadow palette, I think it's really cute. It's good to just do a simple little 1-2, something in the crease, something on the lid, something in the inner corner maybe, and you're done. But if you want to do like an actual full intricate look, like this is using all the colors, it's still pretty simple. And honestly, it doesn't look very good. Like, I know that. Y'all don't have to tell me. I'm not a big fan of this look, but it is a cute little palette. It would be nice to carry with you so you have a little bit of shimmer with you. Little crease color, maybe use it for touch-ups. If like your inner corner fades off, you can use that little white, pop it in there. that'd be cool. And it's really pretty and it's got a nice mirror. So, you know. So here are all of our products that came in the bag. And, okay, I can't zip the bag. And I think that's just because the brushes are a little bit too wide for it. So it's kind of making everything else fall funny. But everything does fit in here. So this is indeed a pretty decent sized bag, which I'm super stoked about. So sad we won't get any more. But yeah, so I am going to say now that I'm really, I don't know that I'm going to keep my Ipsy Plus. I'm going to keep it for a couple more months, see how it does. Maybe since they eliminate the bag and that's going to give them so much money, it'll get better. Who knows? I wasn't super impressed when I saw my spoilers this month, though, other than the lipstick. I do really like everything that came in here. It's all really good quality, nice products, but I'm not that impressed still. We shall see. Hopefully they get it together just a little bit better. Maybe step it up a little. At this point, I still feel like I really like my BoxyCharm better than this Ipsy Plus. But then last month, which I didn't get to film because it came in so late, I loved last month's Ipsy Plus. Like, we even got a Rodeo Drive highlighter, which I needed because I had broken mine and I didn't want to pay $30 to replace it. So, I mean, last month's Ipsy Plus was incredible. I was so impressed. And then this month, I'm just kind of like, eh. But, I mean, isn't that the thing with subscriptions? Like, you never know if you're going to like it month to month, but you get to try new stuff. Definitely nice. Price point on it is $25. And to the best of my knowledge, you have to be signed up for regular Ipsy before you can get Ipsy Plus. You can't just jump in with Ipsy Plus that I'm aware of. They may have changed that by now, but that was the rule before. But yes. So this was a really good bag. I think it was a really good value. You know, there was a lot of stuff in here that, I mean, it was really nice. But yeah, I'm going to quit rambling. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I've got some videos pre-filmed and ready to go. I'm about to go on vacation, but I'm pre-filming and uploading for y'all so that we don't get behind like we did over the last holiday. And yes, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.